So what we did in Cancun was we talked about what the consumer, so we came up from a different side. So we came up from the consumer side of the studies of what consumers use Google for. So we have this assumption of what it is, what we think it's for. Well, they did a study in, I think it was January or February, it must have been January, in terms of what the consumer is. And so that's what we basically gave them the feedback on. And you'll see in there some stuff that so when I get people who come up there and they say, yeah, I'm not getting any results from my Google business profile, I now say that's bullcrap, because the consumer is telling you, well, we're going there, and if you don't have anything there, we're going to somebody else. So you don't even know if you're converting or not. So even your referrals, people who've referred you, we'll pull it up here and we'll show it, is they're going to Google, they're going to online and looking you up before they even call you, whether they're a referral, whether they're a radio ad, whether they're a Google pay-per-click, etc.